Let's make an easy casserole, and it's good too. Use cream of mushroom soup, some canned mushrooms, those are optional, a little bit of mayonnaise, 2 cans of spinach, and I've made this with cheddar cheese, but it's better with gruyere. I'm going to use gruyere cheese, an egg, an onion, and we need to drain the spinach. In my mixing bowl, I have the egg. I like to go ahead and beat it up a bit. I'm going to add mayonnaise, just a little over a tablespoon, like a tablespoon and a half, something like that. Mix that in just a bit. And our cream of mushroom soup. Don't worry, I'll get every bit of that in there. Mix that in. And here's our onion. You want to chop it as fine as you can. You know, pretty small chunks. It's a cup. And we'll put in our spinach. And I kind of squeezed it to get a lot of the water out of there. We'll add our mushrooms. I think mushrooms go very well with this, but if you don't like mushrooms, that's okay. Don't put them in there. And our cup of cheese. And then I'll get something different and mix all this up. I have all my spinach in my casserole dish. It's a 8x8 dish, and I did not grease it, but you can. And I'm going to put it in my hot 450 degree oven. This is baked for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put an optional ingredient on top. I'm going to put some Parmesan chips on top and bake this 10 more minutes. Now if you do not put the Parmesan on top like I'm doing, you want to still bake it 10 more minutes. You want to bake it 40 minutes. So that's enough. Back into the oven. Here's our spinach. It's out of the oven. Of course, the total time is 40 minutes. Whether you put the Parmesan on top or not, 40 minutes. We'll let this cool down a bit, and then we'll have a taste. Let's have a taste. That's so good. It's a wonderful way to have spinach. Maybe the kids will like it, but I doubt it. Thank you so much for watching.